Hey Sarah, you look tired. Are you okay?
Not really. I've been having a really hard time lately.
I'm here. Take your time. What's going on?
Everything feels like it's falling apart, my job, my family, even my confidence.
That sounds heavy. Do you want to start with one thing?
I lost my job last week.
I'm so sorry. That must have been difficult.
I worked so hard, but they said I wasn't good enough.
Sometimes it's not about your ability. Companies change, priorities change.
But it feels personal.
That's normal. But one job does not define your worth.
I don't even know what to do next.
Let's think step by step. Have you updated your CV?
Not yet.
That's okay. We'll do it together.
My family keeps asking questions they don't understand.
What do they say?
They say I should be strong, but I feel broken.
Being strong doesn't mean hiding your feelings.
I wish they could understand me.
Maybe they don't know how you feel. Have you tried telling them honestly?
I'm afraid.
Fear is natural, but communication can help.
I feel like I'm failing in life.
Let me ask you something. Did you try your best?
Yes, I really did.
Then you are not a failure. You are someone who tried.
But I compare myself to others.
Comparison is dangerous. Everyone has a different path.
It's hard to stop.
Start small. Focus on your progress, not others. Let's create a simple plan.
Okay.
First, take care of your mental health.
How?
Rest, talk, write your thoughts. Second, improve your skills.
Like what?
English communication, maybe online courses.
That sounds possible.
Third, apply for new opportunities every day.
Even if I feel scared,
Especially when you feel scared.
talking to you makes me feel lighter.
You are stronger than you think.
I still feel afraid, but also hopeful.
That's a good place to start.
Thank you for listening.
Always. You're not alone.
I'll try again step by step.
And I'll be here every step of the way.